Hey! Today we're gonna make spaghetti carbonara. First you're gonna take 100 grams of mixed pecorino and parmigiano and you're gonna mix it with 2 eggs. And now you're gonna salt and pepper your mixture slightly. Don't put too much salt because the cheese is already salty. Now you're gonna cook your pasta in salted water until it's al dente. In the meantime, you're gonna heat a pan and you're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil inside. And you're gonna fry 100 grams of diced pancetta or bacon bits until crispy. When your pancetta is ready, you're gonna take 2 big spoons of pasta water and pour it over your pancetta. You're gonna add your drained pasta. And now you can add your cheese and egg mixture. Mix it. And now it's ready.